Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Zaful haul. I haven't done one of these in ages. I've done a few in the past, but that was probably like a year ago now. But they got in contact with me the other month, or like last month, and said, do you want to do a summer haul? So I looked at their website and they have so much good stuff on their website. I feel like Zaful and summer is the best. They do the best summer clothes. So yeah, I said yes, let's do a video together. And I got to pick out some stuff and they've sent it to me. So yeah, I'll be showing you the clothing, trying it all on and everything, and obviously giving you my honest opinion, because sometimes with these websites it can be a bit hit and miss with like sizing and everything. So I'll tell you everything to do with sizing and all that. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm now going to get on with it. I might as well start off with what I think is probably my favourite item. So this is it. It's like a little gingham, I think that's the pattern or print dress. I love it, and it ties in the back like that in like a bow, which is nice, and it just zips down. This fits perfectly on me. I absolutely love it. Has adjustable straps. Yeah, I'm obsessed with it, and it's not too short for me either, which, being 5'9", I do tend to find some of these like Chinese websites cater to more of the petite girls, and they're always too short for me, but this actually fits perfect, which is great. I actually got it in a size small, I think. The rest I got in a size medium, but I got that one in a size small and it fits perfectly. And it was $15, so that probably works out at about £8 or £9, I would say. Next little dress I got is super simple. It's just this black kind of ribbed little mini dress which has buttons all down the middle. It's so comfy and I love it, and it's again long enough for me, which is great. I think I got this in a size small as well. So I have this little top here which is just so cute. I love the colour red. It's one of the only colours I wear apart from like denim. I wear red, so it has like puffy sleeves to it. It's off the shoulder and it's super stretchy around here and kind of wraps around. You'll see in the try on, but yeah, I love this so much. I think you can quite easily dress it up. You could wear a pair of black trousers with it and it would look nice, or you can just wear it with denim shorts in the day, and it's just so summery. And I got this in a size medium, I think, and it fits perfectly for me. Okay, so this is another one of my favourite items. It's a little dress. It has little roses over it and little flowers. Not sure if you can see that, but it's just the cutest thing ever, and it laces up at the front. And I see so many of these really cute dresses that people buy, but they're always like £150, £200, which is just ridiculous for like a little dress. So I'm so glad I found this one. It fits really well on me. So this one was a bit more expensive. It was $25, which works out at probably about, I don't know, £18, I would say. Next up, I got this little dress as well. This one is super similar to the other one I showed you, but the print is slightly smaller. If I show you the other one, you can see the difference. So this one is a lot smaller, like the gingham print, and it doesn't have the tie at the back. It's just completely plain. I think I got this in a size medium. Yeah, I got it in a size medium. Next up, we have this little top here. Again, it's red, as I was saying. I love red for like summer. And the sleeves basically tie up kind of around your shoulders, so you can tie them in little bows. And then this bit's just super stretchy. I got this in a size medium, which I definitely think I made the right choice there. I think a small would have been too small, even though it's stretchy. The medium does come up quite small. So yeah, maybe go for the medium if you are like my size, or the large if you have like a little bit of a bigger bust. Right, so this I thought I'd mention quickly. This is the only thing that doesn't fit in this haul. I'll put a picture up here of what it actually looks like in case you were wondering, but yeah, it basically just laces in the front. I think I got it in a size medium, but it just doesn't fit. I probably should have gone for a size large. And last thing I got, it was a bit wintry, but it's this gingham like coat. As you can probably tell from this video, I've been loving like gingham recently. So yeah, I thought I'd buy this coat because I've seen quite a few in like H&M. However, they're a lot more expensive. So when I saw this on Zaful, I thought I might as well pick it up. I'll see how much it is. It wasn't super cheap, but it's a lot cheaper than like the H&M and Topshop ones. Okay, so this was $36. But yeah, I think it'll be great for winter, and I think I got in a size large actually because I didn't have a medium. And the large fits fine. I'll like put it on slightly now. It's a little bit big, but I feel like in the winter you're wearing a lot of knitwear and stuff underneath, so you don't want it to be small, which is why I still got it. So that's everything in this whole video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!